The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for north central Mercer County in central New Jersey, northwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, east central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey until 11 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Somerville, Somerset, Bridgewater, Madison, Middlesex, Florham Park, Bound Brook, Manville, Chatham, Peapack and Gladstone, Far Hills, and Rocky Hill. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 27 and 42. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 7 and 31. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.